welcome back to my channel. So I have a party to go to and I've had some requests about how I style my hair, and I did a video on my at-home blowout, which I love doing that. It's very chic and cute, and sometimes I just feel like doing something different. But today I'm going to show you how I do just my regular kind of beachy wavy curl that you see in most videos. Now you have seen this in some, vlogs, fast forwarded doing it, but I thought today I would give you like an in-depth tutorial of how I style my short hair. So my hair is clean and washed. It's just up in this clip. I wanted to show you, I blow dry my hair using this cream. This is the BB Repair Blow Dry, and it says for dry and damaged hair, repair hair with every blow dry using this heat protective serum in a cream elixir that helps seal split ends. And I really like this. I feel like it protects my hair. My hair feels very smooth after I blow dry my hair. And then I also use this BB Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Primer. And it's a heat and UV protector spray. I spray that in even right before I straighten my hair. It's kind of all over. Brush it through. This is such an annoying top because it's going up and down. If you don't have one of these boar bristle brushes, you should go and get one. It is amazing and it feels so good on your scalp. What I also like to do is this extra step. You don't have to do it, but my hair is very fine and limp and it's just washed, so I need a little bit of grit, and so I love to spray a little bit of dry shampoo. And this is a brand new scent. It is a limited edition Pretty and Delicate Rose Gold. Okay, so I thought this would spray my hair rose gold, but it doesn't. It smells incredible. It actually smells like the perfume that I wore on my wedding, which was a perfume by Anthropologie, or you can find it at Anthropologie, and it was like carnation or something. Anyways, this smells so good. So I just do some light sprays to give my hair some texture. And just rub it through. And just helps give, for me, some extra volume and texture. Okay, once you're done all that, then I separate my hair a little less than half. And I clip it up. This is still dyed pink from when I dyed my hair pink. And I like to use a straightener. This is the Micro Pure straightener that I just got on Amazon. It was like their best seller, and it has this UV red light that's supposed to be like a protector or something of your hair, but it was supposed to be a good one. I think it was like 50 bucks, and it hasn't disappointed me. What really attracted to me about this, I just have to be honest, is that it has an auto shut off, which if you've left your straightener on or have had the fear that you left your straightener on, you know how important that is. So anyways, I'm just gonna take a little piece at the front and just quickly just kind of bring it through like that, and then just kind of don't let it cool and pull it down. And then I'm going to take this piece and just bring it in like that, just to give it some dimension. I'm leaving for vacation on Thursday. And then I come home for about a week and a half, I think, and then go to South Carolina, which I'm really excited about. We're going to Charleston. I've never been to Charleston, so if you're watching this and you have been and you have some suggestions on things to do and places to go and eat, I am totally looking for any suggestions. Okay, so that's the bottom of my hair. I like to keep it like loose, and I have my BB Thickening Dry Spun Finish Spray, which is kind of like a texturizer. And for the bottom, I just like to give it a quick spray. I love the scent of this. And again, it adds some like grit and really helps like lift and for me thicken my very fine hair. I like to start in the middle section. I don't know why. I'm doing this away from my face and I try and not get the bottom pieces as much. Some I will to give some texture, but for the most part I try to keep the bottom. In preparation for my vacation, I'm getting false lashes or lash extensions, and I'm really nervous because I love these lashes that I'm wearing. These are the Ardell. They just come in the twin pack. They're my favorite, so I'm twisting this one in. And I'm really nervous because I don't know if I love lash extensions, but I want the convenience of it. Okay, so I'm just rotating in and out here. So I have some in and then the rest going out. And I'm done this layer, and so I'm just gonna spray some of this texturizing spray. So now you wanna find where your part is going to be. And I just let my hair kind of fall. I used to part it all the way on this side, but I've been liking more of a lift in the front because of my cowlick. And this is the most important part. So I like to do most of the pieces away from my face. I just like how that looks, and I try to make this as like light and beachy as possible. So I'm not taking huge pieces. I'm going to do this one coming in. Not taking huge pieces, and I'm not getting like a perfect curl, which is what I want. I want it to look very messy and wavy, kind of like I just came from a windy day at the beach. So everything is curled. Now this is where I try, and I'm really trying not to tease my hair at all. So this I apply liberally at the root when on the top layer. So you kind of want to puff it up. This is like pretty much my go-to everyday look. So that just gave it like a lot more volume and texture, and sometimes I like to fill in here. Just really scrunch it up. And that is my everyday kind of beachy waves go-to look. I will link all the products that I use and that I have down below in the description box. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you are notified every time I post a video. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!